store-bought slimes into clear slime. So guys, you guys seem to really like it. I really like it, so we're gonna do it again. So yeah, but this time we have different slimes, obviously. And yeah, and today's like button challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with your no. First, you have to spin it around like this, and then press it with your nose. Yeah. And let's get straight on into the video. What yo? Alright guys, so first we got our clear slime, the beautiful clear slime. Like, look at that. Yes. And you guys, you know how these bubbles appear? Just squish it down like that and the bubbles disappear. It's kind of funny if you just don't. I don't know. I just thought it was cool. So let me just grab some of that. Oh my goodness! I'm sorry. I really love clear slime. It's my favorite. I know I say it every time, but just for the people who don't know me and they're like, "What is this crazy girl doing?" You know? So yeah. First, what we're gonna do is from Ryan's World Mystery Slime. I think he's another YouTuber. He does toy reviews, and yeah. So I guess he just came out with the slime. Now it's very different. I love the color, and it's like super clear and it's super jiggly. Like, I like the texture, it's cool, but like it's not really like homemade slime. It's just like really jiggly. It like almost reminds me of Jello. It's very cool. I like it. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what happens. Look, we got. Can you guys guess what I'm about to say? I don't know. You guys comment down below. A blue egg. I don't know what to call it, guys. What should I call it? What kind of egg is this? All right, let's go ahead and start mixing it. I'm excited to see what is gonna happen with this one. The last time I mixed clear slime with like a very jiggly store-bought slime, it actually didn't turn out that bad. Like, it actually turned out kind of like a jelly slime texture. It was really cool. This one seems like it's kind of getting harder, but I'm not done mixing it, so maybe it'll get softer after. Alright guys, so here's how it turned out. It's actually very like, I don't know, like you could stretch it a lot and it doesn't even break. Not broke. But it's so weird, and it's like super firm and hard. It doesn't put any poke glows. Trying to get a poke glow. I kind of got a poke glow. Yeah. I don't really like how this turned out. I like my other one better, but I mean, it was interesting. It turned very weird. I don't know. I don't really like this one, guys. Don't mix your Ryan's World slime with this. Next one I'm gonna do is this mustard slime. I don't really like these ones. They're kind of weird, but whatever. I always get them still because they got some cool containers. Although this one is different. Whoa, this one's actually different. Usually they're like this weird consistency. This is still weird, but it's a different consistency. This one's a bit, it's like more powdery consistency. This one's a bit more like glossy. So this one's mustard. Let's go ahead and put that there. Can you guys guess what I'm about to say? It's an egg, a mustard egg, or a normal egg, I guess. I wonder how this is gonna turn out. It's very satisfying to see mix this one. Usually they melt like this brand of slime usually melts. I wonder what's gonna happen. Alright, well that's what happened with this one. It actually mixed very, very quickly. But anyways, here's what happened. That is interesting. Alright, well this turned out pretty interesting. It's like very glossy, very jiggly. Doesn't have very good poke glows. Oh, I kind of got one. You have to kind of like really stay in there to get a poke. You know, like that. The bubbles are pretty good. But like, I don't like it. I'll stick to my clear putty. Thank you very much. That didn't work. Next one is gonna be a little miniature egg. Because we're gonna be putting this thingy. This is a crazy art. It's like in a little 5-7 pack, I think. And they have like little small ones. I like it because it's like little tiny putty slimes. They're not putties. They're actually like homemade slime. Like it's actually very good. Like crazy art's about to snatch weaves, seriously. So we'll put that right there. And you guys will just know what I'm about to say. It's an egg. An orange egg. Wonder what's gonna happen with this one. Probably gonna stay the same, but who cares? Well, that mixed very, very quickly. Usually what happens when I put the crazy art slime is that it like kind of gets overactivated, and that's exactly what's happening. It's so weird because like the other one is like, you know, it's like all stretchy and nice, but like, and you expect it just like mixes, you know, whatever. But it actually like activates it. It's like so weird. It's like the weirdest thing to me. I don't know why, but yeah. But that was very satisfying, right? Am I right? Basically, it's like a normal homemade slime, except it's like overactivated. Next one I do, guys, is this one right here. It is it's like a lava lamp slime thingamajigger. So yeah, which I absolutely hate the container of. Like, I like the design. Well, actually, I don't like the design. No, like, I like how it looks. Like, it's cool. Like, the concept, you know, it's like a little lava slime lamp. But, like, it's so freaking hard to open to actually get the slime because you have to, like, get this. Usually, you, like, grab it from here. But I like to squish it because I feel like it's easier to get out because I have nails and I don't want to break them. But I really like the slime. It's super, like, clear. Oh, okay. It's super clear, and it's actually kind of like homemade slime. It's very close. It's very pretty. I love it. All right, so let's just go ahead and mix it. These are like one of my faves. I just really hate the container. What kind of egg is this? Unicorn egg? Mermaid egg? Oh, it's actually sticking to the slime. That is interesting. Isn't that cool? Like, I don't know. That looked cool to me. Like, the fact that it's like purple and it's clear. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and do this. It's actually getting very thick. I did a lava lamp one like this, but it was like a different texture. It was a pearlescent one. It had the texture of this jiggly one. This one has more of like a thicker texture. Okay, well that's pretty mixed. Okay, well first of all, I gave it a very weird texture. I know I always say that, but like seriously guys, it's just so weird. This one, it's like super squishy and like really soft. I know it doesn't look like it, but like, what the heck? This is so weird. It also really overactivated it. I just find that so weird that it like overactivates. Like, why? It's like two perfectly good slimes. And then that happened. Like, what the heck happened? Okay, well this is like not very playable with anymore. Kind of ruined it. It's okay. I guess. I mean, I could put hair gel in it maybe. I don't know. But yeah, that's what happened. What the heck? You can't poke it. You can't really get any bubbles. You can just squish it. I mean, I guess it's good for like just playing around with, so in case you drop it, it doesn't stick to like anything. And I mean anything. Like, look at that. Okay, alright guys, let's get on to the next one. Next one is this little barrel of slime, and oh, I guess it's called silly sludge. Usually it's called like barrel of slime. It's actually really cool. This one is black, and I actually like the textures of these a lot. Let's look at that. I love the texture of this slime. It's not like homemade slime at all, but it's like really cool. And like, I love the black one. I've had like one other black one, but like, look at how black it is. It's so cool. Like, it looks like a hole or something. This is like true black. Whoa, this is crazy. I cannot wait to mix this one in. Alrighty guys, let's mix this in. It's a barrel oil spill. Ooh, this is a oil egg. Oh wait, one second. There we go, now it's an oil egg. Okay, enough. Okay, let's mix this. I am so excited about this one. I wonder how that's gonna turn out. Uh-oh. Should I not be excited, guys? Oh my god. This is really an oil spill. Trying to get this to like go together and it doesn't stick. I think it's starting to stick, but I think it's like activating the slime like it always does. I'm gonna take those parts out and like add them later maybe. How about I just like try and restart and I add like only a little bit, like this tiny piece. See what happens then. Reminds me of Venom. Like, not the new Venom that's coming out, but like the old Venom. The Venom that was in Spider-Man. This reminds me of it because it's like a little black piece and it like gets on you and turns you evil and stuff, you know? Alright, so here's how this one turned out. This piece of slime. It's like still not completely mixing and it got super hard. And that was like a tiny bit. Plus like other tiny bits, but it was like tiny. Here's the other one. Here's how that one's doing. It's kind of like just turning into the slime itself. I don't know what's going on, guys. That was not a good idea. I was so excited about that one. I thought it was gonna be so cool, but that was not cool. Very interesting. You guys comment down below which one is your favorite one. I say my favorite one is maybe this crazier one. I feel like that one turned the least weird. But that is it, guys. If you guys want me to do more, make sure you press that like button. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!